Hey everyone, Marine here for Hello Bluebird. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing two cards in the same video. The first one features Word Buddies Jungle and the second one features Word Buddies Woodland. I started with the jungle themed card and here we have the super cute Woodland Buddies Jungle set. I also picked some tropical leaves from Portrait Pals, more Jungle Littles and Jungle Littles, and used the Wild For You die for my sentiment. I stamped some koalas and sloths, as well as balloons and hearts using extreme black ink by My Favorite Things, and colored those images using my alcohol markers. Once the coloring was done, I cut a 5.5 by 4.25 inches panel, and here I'm showing you the paper that I'll be using from now on to blend my inks. Strathmore Bristol cardstock is not easy to find, so I bought this one to try. The texture is smooth, and you will see in a second that the inks blend very well on it. So for this card, I went with a tropical look using from bottom to top squeezed lemonade, twisted citron, pine needles and chipped sapphire oxide inks. I started at the bottom with a strip of squeezed lemonade and made my way towards the top, going back and forth with the different inks to create a nice blending. And you definitely can see that this new paper from Vason Creative is really great to achieve that. Now what's next? Some texture, of course, water droplets, and then some contrast, and finally a touch of light, the same old routine. Next I cut one Wild For You out of a wood texture cardstock and one out of yellow cardstock. I glued this yellow element at the back of the other in order to create an outline and make the wood one pop on the background. I applied foam squares at the back of the whole piece, and using dimension creates shadows behind that sentiment, which makes it pop even more on the dark panel. Off screen I stamped and colored a few additional leaves and flowers, and the next step was to attach everything all around that Wild For You sentiment using a combination of glue dots, foam squares and liquid glue. So that's it for this first card. I added highlights on the images using my white gel pen and then attached my panel on a green card base. Now let's move on to the second card featuring the sweet Word Buddies Woodland. I also used some flowers and leaves from Banner Buddies, as well as the new You Make Me Smile die for my sentiment. And just like the first card, I stamped and cut my images. For this card, I went with bunnies, hearts and balloons, and colored them using my alcohol markers again. For the background of this second card, I wanted something more sweet, so I went with From Bottom to Top, Squeezed Lemonade, Dried Marigold, Kitsch Flamingo, and Picked Raspberry Oxidings. Once the background was all done, I created my sentiment. I used the You Make Me Smile die 4 times, 2 times to cut the letters out of white cardstock on the left, 1 time out of a light dotted beige cardstock on the right, and 1 time out of an A2 panel that I used as a template. I taped that template on top of my pink panel, and then I did like a puzzle. I placed the die cut letters right on the matching ones on the panel. I attached the white ones first to create dimension, and then the light beige letters on top. Using a homemade template is the key to get letters perfectly lined up. Once the letters were all attached, I removed the template, and then I stuck all my cute images using liquid glue and foam squares. at the end I felt like it needed an extra touch of shine, so I created a few clear drops here and there, and the card was done. So here's a close-up look at the second card. And here we have both cards, and now you tell me which one is your favorite. I think mine is the jungle card because I really enjoyed creating this bold background. And I think that the sloth on the A is the cutest. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!